Hey everybody, Bruce from WaterBear here. Now we are going to talk about a subject which I know is dear to all your hearts, which is how to get your band on a festival stage in 2019. Now at WaterBear we're a little bit lucky because we get to see behind the scenes of various festivals because we help put the shortlist together for some of these rising stages, stages for emerging talent. The great news is that most festivals have cottoned on to the fact that not only is it good vibes to put on new bands, not only is it an investment in the future talent of the bands that will eventually go on to headline, it also creates an enormous amount of social media and it actually sells tickets. However, there is a stack of bands out there, and the first thing I learned from compiling these shortlists for these stages is just how many bands there are. To give you one example, the Breaking Bands Festival, which is a small entry-level festival, they had 1,600 bands apply last year for a few slots. So that gives you an indication of the competition you're up against. But the good news is it's really easy to cut through all the noise and be the bands at the top of the tree with a very, very strong chance of getting on that stage. So how do we stand out from this huge soup, the band soup of all these thousands of bands in the UK? How do we do it? Simple. Watch the video previous to this one about putting together an EPK, an electronic press kit. If you follow those instructions, you will stand out. If you have even one great song and one super strong video, you will stand out. Okay, so people often say to me, you're always saying we have to be good. What does good mean? Well, you need to be good enough to generate an audience. It's as simple as that. It doesn't matter what I think. If other people are digging it, then it's good. But you can help yourselves out a little bit here by buying in some expertise. It doesn't cost much these days to work with a producer who's actually had a track record. It doesn't cost that much to work with a videographer who's produced great videos for bands that are proven by the fact there they are on YouTube with lots and lots and lots and lots of views. Work with people like that. It won't break the bank and it'll change everything for you. Okay, so we've got a banging EPK. It's ready to go. We need some festivals to apply to, and this is where WaterBear can help. Here is a link to a stack of festivals, and these guys are accepting applications right now. So put the whole thing together. Good luck. Let us know how you get on. We're here to help. So what are you waiting for? Do your research, apply for the festivals, get those festivals. Someone's got to get them. It may as well be you. I want to see you on that stage. Let us know how you get on. Don't forget, if you're serious about music and you want to do this stuff day in, day out, 24 hours a day, come and speak to us at WaterBear about studying for a BA Honours degree or even a Master's, online or on-site in Brighton. We're here to help. Let's make things happen.